My question is again about clothes. Why is it prohibited the saffron color in clothes? And about this gold, I make a promise to God that I will not wear gold, and now I don't know what should I do to break this.
I understood the last bit. The last bit. She said, I promise to God Almighty that I will not wear gold again.
You will not?
She will not wear gold. This is what I understood.
Again?
Yeah.
This is a wrong promise.
I know.
So you pay for some sadaqah, zakat, according to the Quran, because this is a false vow you have made, and this must be broken. But you pay some sadaqah for the poor, as prescribed by the Quran, and then you will be free to wear gold. Right?
And the first bit, you're not allowed to wear yellow color, sir?
That also goes, the same goes for that.
It's not yellow color. I read a hadith where it is said that it is prohibited in Islam to wear saffron color. Saffron color.
She said she read a hadith where it says that we are not allowed to wear saffron color.
No, this is wrong. The hadith indicates the color of the clothes worn by recluse. Those who separate themselves and break their ties with the world and live in small hermits. So because they wore colors like that, so that is why Rasulullah did not permit or protested against that, because if any Muslim would be wearing that thing, he would be taken to be the recluse, not a Muslim. So if you wear yellow, I am quite sure you will not be taken as recluse. Right? Everybody understand this is Salima, not a recluse. You see, if this interpretation of hadith which you have made is correct, then it's a strange thing that all over India and Pakistan, girls, when they are sent off before marriage, they wear this saffron color. So do they turn every Muslim into a Muslim girl into a non-Muslim before they send her off? You wore also, Aisha, didn't you? So this interpretation is not right. When they do this, at that time they are not understood to be the hermits or anything. But they do it only because at that time they are treated with some ointments and things which create a sort of color of saffron. And all the clothes would be dirty looking if they do not wear saffron colored clothes. Saffron colored clothes sort of hide the blemishes of the clothes. They are not highlighted, and everything is acceptable. Understand? Your question?
This question from brother from Kazakhstan. Could Huzur kindly give us an absolute, precise definition of shaitan, whether it is whether it is a live being or it is just human thoughts and all other details?
In 31 or 30 seconds I can't answer that question. So let's postpone the answer to the next session, please.